What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian Felix here with Mendez Mobile Detailing. Appreciate you guys for watching this video. So we have a very dirty interior on this Nissan Altima behind me here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys through the before shots, and then we're gonna show you guys the entire process, making it look dirty, well, taking it from looking dirty to looking brand new. So stay tuned. Appreciate you guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's take a look at the car's condition. All right, you guys, so this is the Nissan Altima here. You guys are gonna go ahead and see the before shots. This thing needs some love. So you got dirty door panels there, stained up and stuff like that. I'm gonna try not to touch anything with my bare hands. Just a bunch of trash, which you guys can see. Needs a very good vacuum. Have a lot of pet hair, a little bit of mold, cigarette ashes, stuff like that. Here's a look at the back seats. So you still got to move everything out the way to fully see, but you guys can definitely see there's a lot of pet hair everywhere. So it's gonna be some work. Gotta get in between the cracks and crevices in the seats. Probably go ahead and add some sealant or protection to the seats so you know they can stay somewhat looking new. This spot there, I mean, even the exterior of the car needs some work. So you guys can see even the cracks and stuff, very dirty. Probably could use a very good clay bar. This car has literally been sitting here like under these trees for I don't know how long. So we're gonna try our best to bring it back to life. Just a look at the passenger side. Like I said, there's a lot of stuff in here. We still gotta get out of the vehicle. But I wanted to show y'all before we got started or before we touched it that this is what it's looking like, so you guys don't think we're lying. Got a bunch of water bottles and stuff right there. Center console full of pet hair as well. Just pet hair everywhere. It's very nasty. Very disgusting. So yeah, you guys see it. You let me know in the comment section down below. What would you charge for a car like this, inside and out? So we're gonna go ahead and wash the outside, do the interior, bring it back to life. What would you charge, right? Because this probably take us 2 hours and a half, maybe 3 hours. But you know, we'll see. We will see. How much would you guys charge? We're gonna go ahead and get set up. We're gonna need our steamer, drill brush, lily pet hair brush, and of course the compressor. We're gonna need everything for this detail. So for the detail, I'm gonna just go ahead and use Super Clean right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some Super Clean, and then I'm gonna go ahead and follow up with some dressing, some VRP dressing, which I have sprayed or poured into this bottle here. So that's VRP, Super Clean. And then for our seats, we're either gonna use some 303, but I'm running out of that, so I'll probably use the Chemical Guys leather conditioner right there, just to protect the seats and stuff like that. And we're gonna go ahead and use this yellow pad here for the leather seats. Probably use this if we need to, this horse pet hair, or not horse pet hair, this horse brush. And then we'll just use a variety of like detail brushes like this and stuff like that. Probably use these for the door panels. And we'll be using these little circle ones to apply our leather conditioning on the seats. So just a little rundown. Also gonna go ahead and use some orange microfiber towels with some green microfiber towels for the interior to wipe and stuff like that. So you basically have everything you need to knock out this detail if you just follow what I just said. So you need towels, some brushes. You don't really need stuff like this. This is just add-ons, but you can honestly get it done with just this and some towels. But we're gonna go ahead and use this, brushes, towels, super clean, VRP, and some leather conditioning. So, and then also before I forget, for the glass, we'll use some glass cleaner spray away here. So I'm pretty sure you could probably spend in total about 25 to 30 bucks on everything I just mentioned, and we're looking to charge around 350 for this detail. So yeah, not so bad. Gonna go ahead and get started, and I will catch you guys throughout the process. Let's go. All right, so the first step when it comes to going ahead and transforming this car is going to be taking everything, literally everything, out of our way, so we don't have to stop and move anything around. So what we're doing now is Danielle's taking out all the trash, putting it in the bag, everything that seems personal, like this pump right there and stuff like that, this like water thing. We're just going to go ahead and put that in the separate bag, or maybe even throw it in the trunk, because we don't want to take or throw away anything that's personal to the client. So lighter stuff like that, we just go ahead and put it separate. Everything else is being trashed. So when we're vacuuming and blowing everything out with our compressor, nothing's in our way, and we can just keep working and not having to stop our workflow. So quick little tip for you guys.
Raider.
Alright, you guys, so we are almost done with this Nissan here. So we're just doing the last finishing touches. Just gotta add tire shine. And this is the look at the interior, how it turned out. Now it's not 100%, but it's definitely looking a lot better than what it was. Client's satisfied. We're getting paid for the job and they're happy with it. So it's all that matters. Here you go. This one doesn't even have a handle there. We clay barred the outside, sprayed our ceramic coating wax on there. And now it's looking brand new and clean again. Go. Alright, so Danielle is finishing up the glass on the Altima, and we are officially finished. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you learned something. Hopefully it inspired you guys to go ahead and knock out these dirty cars, because someone needs to do it. So appreciate you guys for watching. Hustle never settle. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace out, you guys. Let's get it.